Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first DIY looks quite interesting. Oh, looks like it broke. So you had to start again. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely not a beginner-friendly project, especially the fact that it broke. Like, that really sucks. But this is cute. Very nice for like your office space or like your bedroom to like hang stuff up. And then we have some Dollar Tree end tables. Okay, so they're making like the outdoor side tables here. They got the spray paint and then the trash cans and the pizza tray. You could also use a charger. Like, you guys know those charger plates that you can get at the dollar store? You could use that as well. Alright, so she has the items here and then she's spray painting them. Looks like she's going with like a really pretty like mint green color. Now you could actually put them inside your home too, just FYI. The only thing is that they would be like really kind of flimsy, so they wouldn't be very sturdy. I think that mint green color is really cute though. And bam, there we have it, cute little side tables. Very nice little inexpensive summer decor idea. Three easy steps. So we have someone making a rope vase here. Now this is a very easy project. You could pick this cylinder up from the dollar store as well as the rope and just basically glue it around the bottom and bam, you got yourself a rope vase. Easiest project ever. Well, one of the easiest, I would say. Budget-friendly wedding centerpiece. So I say this all the time. If you are currently planning your wedding, make your own DIY centerpiece decorations. You will save so much money and they're so easy to make. I made mine from dollar store items. Michael's was my go-to. They got the 20% off coupon. But yeah, definitely make your own. You'll save so much money. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the color scheme. Gorgeous. And you can get the flowers from like Michael's too. You don't have to go with like the fresh flowers. You can get silk. All right, so we're back at the dollar store. Looks like now we have a Halloween decor DIY. Oh, these are cute. Solar stake lights. I might have to grab those. I wonder if they still have them. Put them out in the lawn and the kids are trick-or-treating. Looks like she grabbed the ghost solars. Added some black beads. Oh, that's cute. I like how she grouped them all together. That's really cute. Nice little porch decor. Yeah, I might have to go to the dollar store and check that out. That was a pretty easy project too. So it looks like we have an upcycle here, or recycle. Lots of cardboard and tubes. Tape. Ooh, looks like she's making like a display stand or a table. Oh yeah, that is cute. Oh wow, really cute side table idea. Looks so high-end as well. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed listening to these DIYs with me today or checking them out. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.